All right, guys, here we go. We're going to be taking a look at the natural gas futures. We're looking at the daily chart of the standard natural gas futures. And like we've been preaching about, I don't know, it seems forever. We did come down, hit our target here at that 217, and possibly we're really wanting natural gas futures come down to that whole round even number at $2. The market loves those whole round even numbers, okay? So, time will tell, but we're going to be playing it either way in the interim. And as kind of the backtrack to show you how we even got here, we were in this sideways consolidation zone, and the longer time period that consolidation zone goes on, the stronger, the harder, the faster it will rip, either to the upside or downside. I mean, it only has two ways to go. So you just sit on your hands, and then that's the hardest part, just being patient, and then follow the market, just like Mother Nature. um, the market's undefeated, and no matter what you call, it's going to do what it's going to do. And kind of a little trick here, we were what's called an inside bar. See this red bar here? Everything was traveling and closing inside that bar where that gold arrow is. Okay, resistance was at the red dash line. Now price can, kind of getting off topic here, but anyway, price can wick below this candle bar, but so long as it closes in here, you're good to go. Just, waiting for a break one way or the other. Then once you start getting that confirmation of price, trading and then closing under that bar, then you have higher odds, higher probability that your thesis is going to work out in your favor regarding price coming down or up. Okay. Now, right now, we were talking about that 217. Let's go with the weekly. Obviously, we're under that 217 zone right now. See this gray dash line? And that's why we're looking real hard now, at the $2 range. And I would like to think that once we come down into this range, we have all this uh, consolidation area here where we actually put in a low, higher low here, and then went on, okay? And markets reverse basically, well, at the top, look right here, I just saw that, reverse either to the upside or downside. Here's another one, just a real quick one. But anyway, either a V shape, you know, to reverse to the upside, or a reverse V shape, inverse V shape to the downside, and then a W is really what we're looking for. It's the strongest, okay? You have a low, like I just showed here, low, you run up, come back, put in a higher low. You don't want to take out this one here, and then you go, okay? There's a couple of caveats to that our Patreon members know to really confirm that. Give you literally a high 80% chance or probability that it will continue, if you're able to have, a little situation happen. And then another, which I don't know, may be happening here. Let me take all that off so I can pull this over. And then the next one, W is the best, okay? And then this one here, a lot of times you'll get this. We did on Bitcoin, if you look at it from the FTX debacle, and then you'll trade sideways and get far and away from this bad memory, from this trauma, okay? Then you can start coming back up. We'll have to just wait and see what the market thinks about natural gas if we do that. But we should, and we've been saying that forever though. We should be getting a oversold bounce. What am I thinking? Short covering rally coming up here pretty quickly. Okay, getting very far and extended. Under the 20. I don't know if I'd be going short here. If so, it'd only be like a little day trade, few minutes, whatever, before getting out of that thing. And I'm trying to see if I see anything else you guys need to know right here. But we'll be playing it over here on UNG. As you can see, we've already pre-market. We're already below, uh, where we stopped last week. on UNG. That's how we'll be playing it. Let me see if I have anything else. See, it's pretty much the same thing. A sideways consolidation zone. And even in here, we were just, kind of playing it long, short on these whipsaws here from the top, the resistance zone, down into the support, and then played it long both ways. So we will wait on the natural gas futures to the standard futures chart here to give us a signal to go long, and then that's how we'll play it in the meantime. And